One man turned a lifeless wasteland into a forest where wildlife now thrives. But when he started, there was nothing, not even the possibility of life. In a forgotten corner of the world, there was a piece of land that no one believed in. It was dry, barren, and completely lifeless. The soil was so harsh that even insects struggled to survive. No trees, no shade, no future. People called it hopeless, a place beyond saving. But one young boy saw something different. While everyone saw emptiness, he saw potential. He asked a simple question: what if this place could live again? People laughed at him. They said, "That's impossible. Nothing grows here." But he didn't argue. He just decided to try. And that decision changed everything. He started with almost nothing, a few seeds and a dream. Every day, he returned to that empty land, carrying water, carrying hope, planting one small seed at a time, alone. No support, no guarantee. People watched him like he was wasting his time. But he never stopped. Days became years, and years became decades. Nothing changed at first. No results, no signs of success, only silence. But he kept going, even when no one believed, even when nothing seemed to grow, because he believed in one simple idea: if you take care of life, life will return. Then slowly, something impossible began to happen. Green started to appear. First small patches, then trees, then forests. The wind changed. The silence broke. Life returned. Birds came back. Animals followed. And what was once dead land became a living ecosystem. Years later, someone finally discovered what had been built there. A forest stretching across thousands of acres, more alive than anyone could have imagined. A place no government project created, no company built, no plan designed, just one person and time. And that's when people realized something powerful. We often say, "I'm just one person. What can I do?" But this story proves something else. One person can create an entire world. You don't need permission. You don't need perfect conditions. You just need to start. You don't need to save the whole world today. Just start building one small piece of it.